Hi, guys.
Hello.
Wow, I'm losing my voice.
No.
Me. You're not impressed. Okay. So, you guys, welcome back. We're the puzzle couple, and this is the fell video?
Yeah, fell. Yeah, ones we have not been able to finish.
Yeah, so
because they were just too damn hard for our little brains.
They were a little too hard. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to add the clips in. So they're going to be introduction videos to the videos that we never
finished.
We still have hope for at least one of them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we actually haven't taken what we put together apart. So we're still hoping to do it. It's just, it was hard.
It was hard. Like, what happened?
We don't even know if what we have put together is actually
the
right spots. So
we're kind of waiting for our artistic friend to come, because I hear he's pretty good at like seeing art in a different way, so he can actually put pieces together very quickly.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Because once we get this one together, it's going into our little folder.
Yeah.
And it's going to stay together. So.
Or I might frame it.
Oh, okay.
Put it in my Halloween bathroom.
Yeah, there you go.
So you guys will see which one we're talking about. And then after that, we will post another video of our second fell video of another puzzle we just couldn't do.
Yeah.
So anyways, and I don't know what we're going to do with that one. We might have to just pass it on to the group. Although the group that we pass puzzles to said
probably you're not going to want to.
Yeah. So this might have to be to like the infinite puzzle group that meets once a month. I believe in San Diego.
Yeah, but we don't know if it's all there.
We don't know.
Pieces,
yeah.
So, I mean, we'd have to count it, and that sounds like a lot of work. And I'm
With
not
the
sure.
two of us, we can take 500 pieces a piece, count, or groups of 50.
Okay.
You're the puzzle.
We could count it.
Yeah.
I don't want to count it.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, we'll figure
it out. And even if we did, we couldn't miscount by one. And there would still be a puzzle missing a piece.
Yeah, that would.
And they're supposed to be full puzzles. So
full puzzles for the exchange.
Yeah. So I don't know what we're going to do with it. Maybe we'll try it again at another time. You know? I
don't know. It looked easy, and then it really wasn't.
No.
So,
not at all.
Anyways, yeah. So you guys stay tuned for that, and we will catch you on the other side.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I feel like singing my morning song, but it's not morning.
No, it is not.
It will be when we post this, because we post at midnight.
Yeah, most of the time we post at midnight.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, we've had some, like, different schedules.
Yeah, a little bit different fluctuation. We're trying to see what would work best, and it seems like midnight seems to work best. So
yeah.
That's what we always do.
So, good morning, good morning.
All right, kindergarten teacher.
Oh, wait. Hello.
Hello, we're the puzzle couple.
And we're here with a puzzle that is brand new.
Brand new, yeah. It was a gift to us from some friends of ours.
Very, very close friends. They went to the Van Gogh Museum art show. What is it exactly?
Is it the one you walk in?
It's the one you walk in, and they project the.
Yeah, I don't know what they call that, but I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. So they brought us back this. And I'm excited because I really wanted a Van Gogh puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
So
like this is brand new. We don't do too many of these really brand new ones. And actually, this one is completely wrapped up in plastic and everything.
Yeah, so we gotta get the plastic off of this baby. Okay, so now you guys don't have
the glare of plastic.
Yeah, the glare of plastic. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it looks like this one might be kind of hard. It is 1,000 pieces.
Is it? Oh no, it's not sealed. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna need more than just. Oh, but look,
it's got
it's still in it.
It's still in its thing. It has letters on the back, so that actually might help somewhat. Because usually, like, they're in square. At least from what I've noticed, they're in squares, and they, so you'll kind of know where the pieces will be at. And here, wow, this thing's huge.
Wow,
is this as big as the puzzle gets? Or is this bigger than the puzzle? This is like an actual poster.
Yeah, this is like
something you could actually put in. Although it's got all the little, lines and stuff, so it might not. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Gosh.
Wow, that is cool.
That is really neat. I'm excited. I love it when they come with posters because it just makes it easier to do.
It does seem to make it easier.
Let's see. Uh-oh, better be careful. I don't want to fling these.
Do not drop those. Not the brand new one.
Yeah, look, so it is like a nice size.
Mm-hmm.
The pieces are really thick.
Well, let's see. Yeah. Let's see what the size is here. See if I can find the size. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it has.
We might just be shocked when we.
But the name of this is The Skeleton by Van Gogh. Yeah.
And it's the Van Gogh exhibit, which really want to do when they come through here. And it's only for like a couple months, and then I think they travel to different.
Yeah, they go to different places.
Definitely.
Yeah. I don't see a size on this. So maybe I don't think it's going to be that big, but because that looks pretty huge.
I don't know. Are all of these just 2?
Oh, and that's going to make it interesting. Yeah, it looks like. So maybe the only thing that will be a little different is the edge pieces. But it looks like all the other pieces are just the little 2 nubs.
Yeah, look at that. I'm only seeing 2s. Oh my gosh. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how hard do you think this is going to be?
It's probably going to definitely be a 4 because of how dark it is and everything else like that. The edge now let me see an edge piece here. Okay, yeah. So it doesn't look. I was gonna say if it's got the the little frame, it would make it easy for the edge, but it doesn't have the frame. You can see it's just the black, so it's no frame to it. It's whatever is inside this is what you're getting.
I am so excited. So this is, I believe, the first Van Gogh puzzle we're
gonna be doing.
We've done.
I think so. Yeah.
So yay, you guys.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah. So if Van Gogh is one of your favorite painters, what's your favorite picture of his? Or painting. And or who is your favorite artist? So you guys just comment below. Anyways, you guys,
we will talk to you at the end, right?
Yeah.
All right. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, I am popping off shirts from high school.
This is a high school shirt.
A high school shirt. I had a hippie phase that didn't quite go away. So,
okay.
Yeah, but my mom kept it, so now I'm wearing it again.
Yeah, hey, cool.
Not that anybody really wanted to know, but we're going bright today.
There, you know now. And if you didn't know, we're the puzzle couple.
And welcome back.
Yep.
We have a puzzle. So I hope you guys have a puzzle too, so you're working on puzzles as well.
Yeah, right?
But the puzzle we're going to work on is called, and this is one I couldn't get closed again.
Yeah. And it's
the fruit challenge.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't really know about tipping it.
I wouldn't tip it. But it's 1,000 pieces.
King Bro mini well toys.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure if you can actually kind of see how they have it, which is an interesting idea, but I don't know how you're supposed to close the box when you have everything in there.
Yeah.
Because, it's not going to do it. But it does separate the colors, which I guess is nice.
Yeah.
If it would.
If it would just close again.
Yeah, if it would close again. It was, I think, closed when we got it, but we opened it up to kind of see or something, and now we can't close it again.
If you guys recall, I did show this in a haul video, and then I said that I needed you to help me close it, but you weren't there when I did the video.
Oh, well, that didn't help then, I guess, huh?
So I don't know how to close it again.
I don't either.
Oh, there it says Mini Well. So it's Mini Well is the brand. We've never done Mini Well before. Nope. So this is a brand new thing for us.
It says it's 1,000 pieces. It's also got like letters on the back of it. So that's interesting.
I'm a little nervous with letters on the back because I think that it's going to be super hard ever since we tried one that...
that last one we had that
last
had letters.
one that had letters was not easy.
That's easy, yeah.
The letters on this one, though, is very bright. See,
yeah.
Look.
And I wonder, do they match what's in there? A, like apple? Is there apples? No. So forget it. I guess it's A,
and what
A,
would
B,
B
C.
be for?
Bananas.
Oh, yeah. I thought since we're playing this game, we'll...
Yeah, well, what would C be for?
Carrot.
That's not really a...
darn
That's a
it.
vegetable, not a fruit.
A C.
Cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. I eat the fruit. I don't remember what I eat.
Yep.
I just eat what is put in front of me.
Okay, actually, now that this is spread out onto our table, it does actually look like there might be 1,000 pieces. But when it was in the little box, it didn't really look like it to me.
It didn't look like it, yeah.
This is going to be interesting, guys. I don't know. I mean, it does call it a fruit challenge. So I don't know if that means it's supposed to be hard or what. But because it doesn't, I mean, it's the fruit. You got yellow, orange, red, purple, and another kind of purple and green.
There's not a lot of deviation to the colors, so that might be a little hard. Hard to put together.
Might be.
So when we separate, oh man, are all of these twos?
What do you mean? Oh yeah,
they're
it looks
all
like they're all twos.
Oh man, that's gonna be hard.
Is there even any corner or sides? This might not have sides to it.
Oh
so this is like might be kind of like one of those impossible puzzles.
Oh shoot! I don't know if I was ready to do impossible puzzles.
Yeah. There is no edges to this, guys. So this is gonna be interesting. But like I said, it does give you the letters. So as long as you know which way the letters are going, it might make it easy-ish to do.
the pieces are nice. They're very
big,
sturdy. I don't know. I mean, they're thick, but they're not as thick as Ravenburger.
Oh yeah.
But I think that they're pretty solid pieces. So
it looks like they're really in good shape still too.
Yeah. So whoever had them.
Yeah, I don't know who had this before, if they did it, or if it's just a very good puzzle.
They might have just said, "Forget it."
Right?
Forget about it.
Because where do you start with it? I guess we're gonna have to just do it by color.
That's what I was thinking too. Sort by color. We usually sort by shape. So sorting by color is gonna be
a different one.
Our
this will be one. Time. No, I think we did it on one other one, but I couldn't tell you what that other one was. Yeah. So. But this is going to be interesting. I can tell you that. Right now. So, thanks for choosing this.
I don't know. It was so bright and it looked so easy.
Yeah.
Just sitting on the shelf.
It did.
So, okay.
Fruit challenge, tell you what.
If you guys have done like an impossible puzzle or a fruit challenge puzzle or a puzzle with just colors
with no edge.
With no edge.
Yeah.
Give us your feedback on how easy that was for you.
Wouldn't it be funny if this was supposed to have an edge and whoever did it last just didn't put it back in?
That would
be funny.
Missing 25 pieces.
Missing 50. I don't know. How many would it take to do an edge on a puzzle this size?
Yeah, we're going to have to I don't know. I'm gonna have to see if the people that we normally trade with would
want to do this.
Would want to try this.
This is gonna be interesting, guys. But hopefully you like it. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and we will of course talk to you at the end of this and let you know how easy or hard it was.
Yeah.
Probably gonna be hard. But anyhow, we'll talk to you later.
Bye, guys. It's getting hot in here.
So take off all your clothes.
Oh wow, I did not realize that song was so explicit. that was
bad? That was
more
bad.
than I knew. I forgot. My brain has been, I don't know. I've been listening to too many Disney songs, I guess.
I guess so.
That's what happens when you're alone. You just like entertain yourself with Disney.
Is that what you do?
Sing-alongs, yeah.
That's not what I do.
Dang, Rundle.
I don't do Disney. I like Disney. I just don't do Disney on my own.
Yeah, you listen to like heavy metal, huh?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, he's like heavy metal and I don't know. Oh, and
like
bluegrass.
Blues. Yeah, I like blues. I like jazz. I like
jazz,
all sorts of stuff. I even like some rap stuff. Just it wouldn't be something I bought, but I still will listen to it.
Yeah, I like alternative and
I like alternative.
but I do like a lot of your music. Funny story, and I know this is way off, but one time I was at work and I had him download music for me to listen to, while I was working, and I started cracking up, and people were like, "What is going on with you? What is so funny that no one else knows?" Because I had earphones in, and I told them I had asked my husband to download music for me, and it is so vastly different. He will listen to heavy metal, and so the music would be heavy metal for one song, and then immediately go into like country or classical or something, and it was so different. I'm like, what did you download for me?
Dang.
Nothing has a theme.
Music is
so
good.
Random.
Music is good. It doesn't really matter what type it is. But music is good.
Yeah. So okay. Anyways, that was totally off theme. Our theme is spelled puzzles.
Yes.
So I hope you guys
enjoyed what we did. Yeah.
What we did.
What you could see, how bad we struggled. I couldn't even tell you how many hours or whatever we were doing that for. So,
and as far as we got for such a long
amount of time
was ridiculous.
Ridiculous, yes.
So, anyways, you guys,
thank you for watching and like and subscribe. Yes. And I'm going to just keep talking over it right now because I can.
And I'm talking too much.
No, you're doing just fine.
So you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying it, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.